After you set up your ArcGIS Online for Organizations account, you will likely want to add members to your organization, members that can create web maps, web apps, and use the collector for ArcGIS app. In order to add members to your organization, you simply sign into your ArcGIS Online account and click on the My Organization link at the top of the page. Once here, you will have the ability to set up members into your organization. To invite members, you simply click on the Invite Members option, and you have several ways in which you can add individuals. You can add members automatically without sending them an email. You can send invitations to pre-established usernames, so you're actually deciding what their username is and what their password is, and then you can also send invitations to existing users. The mechanism that I most often use is to add members automatically without sending an email, and this is where you would actually give them their username and their password. So if I go and click Next here, I would fill in this information here, decide upon a role, and then hit Add and Review and add the member. One thing to make special note of here in this area is the option for the role of your member. If you want your members to be able to access Collective for ArcGIS, you will have to make them a publisher of services. If you simply want people to be able to use the basic functionality, then you select User. I would advise for most, publisher is probably going to be the appropriate option. After you fill all of this out and hit Add and Review, you will then have the member in your account. Going back to the main organization page, some other things to make note of that are of importance. This area over here that says subscription status tells you how many credits that you have remaining. Credits allow you to use some services. For example, when you geocode addresses, it costs you credits in order to do that, and over time these credits will disappear. So you want to be very mindful of this. If you want to see what your status is with credits, you can go to View Status, and you can be looking at usage of your credits over time, when the credits were expended, and who specifically used those credits. So it just helps you manage that a little bit better. You can go to the Esri website and look at how much the different services cost in terms of credits, so that you have an idea of what you will be spending. Other things that cost credits are using tiled services, storage, geocoding, using analytics. So there's a number of things that will utilize those credits. So something just to be mindful of as you are working within your organization. In this area too, you can look at some of the other areas. In here you can edit your settings to set up your page the way that you want it to look. And right now I just set this up a few minutes ago, so it's very basic. So in this area here you can add a logo, you can change the name of your organization, you can add a description, you can select the language, region, and so forth. So it has it sets up the way that your organization is going to look. So it's a good idea to go in and fill those areas out. So that's just a quick overview of administration in ArcGIS Online. For more information about this topic, Esri has some really good online courses through their virtual campus that will go into the nitty-gritty details of how to manage your ArcGIS Online for Organizations account.